Let's put it on. Look at this on. There we go. Put it steady down there. It's cutting through down to the harder earth. It has, you know, it's been raining, but it's not like winter levels of mud. It's more just that sort of top coat of mud. Wow. Yeah, the river's still looking very swollen. And another left, and then we're on this. Getting out on the bike because it's just a chance to unwind when you're on the gravel bike, particularly when it's like this. You don't want to be racing along when you've got to blast through puddles. Just checking down, I've actually remembered to bring my drink with me, and it is there. Yeah, just enjoying this ride through nature here. Yep, it's been well and truly watered. You see that? Look. Fantastic. Wow, fantastic. Very steep climb up there. Give that a miss. And climb some gravel. That's Garth Mountain. That's the eastern edge. The westerly end of Gwaelod-y-garth mountain. This is where me, my wife and my daughter walked up the other day. Mountain bike trails are up there. I'm climbing now. Okay. Definitely climbing. Granite. Gwaelod-y-garth. Let's get through this quickly. So here we are. It's just at that sort of steepness, give your legs a bit of a workout. I'm going to start dangling my bike off the log that's sticking out the most and having it suspended. I'm going to leave it on the ground. Shouldn't play near stacks. All this brash, impossible to ride over. Let's just turn the lights off, sorry. Don't need them up here. Just don't need it. There we go. Right, got to climb. This is the view. Up in the distance, you can see the bridge I crossed. You probably won't see it on the GoPro. That side there, that's where you got Cardiff. And I'm going to be riding this track down now to Gwaelod-y-garth. So far that's 12.4 kilometres. Just forget it. Oh, spectacular views up there. It's quite bumpy down here. Gonna clip in. going over this bridge here. Just taking it steady because, as you can see, it's pretty wet, and just being a bit cautious. Ground is quite lumpy. Oh. But I'm having to take it steady because on the mountain bike I would be tempted to ride pretty fast down here. It's not that rough, but on this gravel bike it feels pretty rough. Right. Yep. It goes into a climb here now. See the chute coming out of here? Seen that on plenty of MTB videos. Moment to get off on this bit. I know I can do it. Let me get back on here. See, there's a fair amount of hoof marks. Right, let's go. Oh, crikey, I didn't clip my left foot in. Yeah. That's the thing with a mountain bike, you can climb all day with a 50 to expand the cog. But you need to get out on the gravel bike a bit more often, I think to myself. So you do have access routes going further up the Garth mountain a different way. I think we're on a bit of a... Right, let's go and descend a little bit carefully because it looks pretty rough and rutted here for a gravel bike. Mountain bike would be okay. I'm not having ridden this before. You've got a gate at the bottom, or stile. Oh. Right. There's a way to get up to the mountain as well. If you want, again, if you want to get up on the mountain, you could climb up that way. Yes, pretty sure it does. Oh. Riding at the back of the house there. Oh yeah, here we are. So I'm going to go left because I want to join back up with the Taff Trail. Okay, right, back in the village of Gwaelod-y-garth. Up. This will bring us out into the estate. River Taff is to my left. Lovely properties there back onto the river. Riparian rights, which gives them access for fishing. Look at this. I'm going to avoid that puddle. I'm going to go in the mud. What is going on with this magic milk? Yeah, there's still air coming out of it. There's a little bridge. Let's hope all the air doesn't leave my tyre now. Where am I? One housing estate to go, and then I'll be home. The camera's about to run out of power. That was good timing. My rear tyre feels like it is losing air. You can hear that magic milk squirting out of it now. So I'm a bit disappointed with that, but hey, you know, I've done some pretty gnarly stuff on the gravel bike. Oh, see you on the next one.